Right then, ladies and gents, so we have come to that part. It is the results, alright? And like I said, there's a reason why I changed this process to 3 representatives instead of 1. And it's because of the talent standard that we always have in a final. And you're going to look at these girls on the stage and go, hang on now, all of them deserve that title. Am I right or am I right, guys? Because there is so much talent. But girls, we are going to be crowning 3 of you as our new representatives tonight, alright? And to the 2 that don't get the crown, please don't let it take away from who you are, what you've achieved, and what you're all about, and more about what this network's about. Like I just said in that message, I'm not giving up on you, regardless to whether you win or not. You're part of this, and I'm always going to be there. And I know the rest of the panel will agree and say the same. So, are we ready to do this? So how it's going to work, guys? I'm going to go in order, no particular order. And I'm going to call out the names of our new representatives. Once I've done that, Louise is going to come over and obviously give your parts of winning. Don't forget, the 3 representatives will win the chance to record a full album at the studio. 10 tracks, 5 music videos, as part of starting them off on their musical journey, alright? So here we go. In no particular order, the first person that we decided to go on and represent the title of Talent Search Cymru is Charlotte Parry. Round of applause for Charlotte, guys. Well done, Charlotte. You are one of our brand new representatives. Louise is going to come over quickly and we're just going to have a chat to you across the board and then we will continue on, girls. So wait patiently now. Ricky, what would you like to say to Charlotte?
Well done, lovely. You deserve to be one of our representatives. You keep doing what you're doing and hopefully you will make a career out of this. Just keep going.
Kelly?
I'm just extremely proud of you. You've worked really, really hard. You really do deserve this, and I can't wait to see now what's next. Now you've got this recording and everything. I can't wait to hear. I don't have to sing with you. I just have to sit and listen to your voice. I'm just looking forward to closing my eyes and listening to you. You've been fantastic.
Charlotte, yeah, you know, like I said, all of you deserve the chance to be here tonight. But Charlotte, there is something so special in what you do as a singer. And I just pray to God now that from this, you'll take this as an advantage of who you are, and the reason why you've been crowned tonight is because we see so much in you. Please do us proud, because we know you can, we know you're capable of doing it, but you thoroughly deserve that title. You're there standing for a reason. You've got something special, like I said in the first performance, there's something really special about you. Don't hold back on who you are as a person, your confidence or anything. Go full throttle. You're representing that for this, alright? So well done, Joe. Round of applause for Charlotte Parry, guys. Well done, Charlotte. Right then, so here we go. We're going to move on. Like I said, no particular order, guys. There are 3 representatives. And the next person to be joining Charlotte as a representative of Talent Search Cymru is... Lacey Ledbetter. Well done, Lacey. Round of applause for Lacey, guys. Well done, girl. You are one of our new representatives. So I'm going to quickly come to everyone. Ricky, what would you like to say to Lacey?
Well done, sweetheart. You deserve this, you really do. What we see in you, or what I see in you, I should say, I can't talk for everyone, because that's wrong with me, I shouldn't. But what I see in you is a hunger. I see a hunger for it. I see a hunger for you to want to do more at such a young age. And Lacey, I do remember you now. I was having a chat with, I think it was Amy outside, and I can't believe he was like that. And he was stood like there in front of me, singing to me, giving me face and everything in the last competition. I do remember you now, so I do apologise for earlier, sweetheart. But wow, because I know you from before, it is absolutely wow. So you carry on and you deserve that, sweetheart, you really do.
Can you go to want to say to you?
I think you've worked really, really hard over this season with the visuals, with your videos and everything, and then coming tonight and you've shown us this lovely, bubbly character and your personality, and I think you've just been a pleasure this season, so it's well deserved. So huge congratulations to you for everything you've achieved.
Lacey, again, I want to kind of state what I think, what gave you this title tonight, and what we kind of saw between us was this very young girl, full of stage confidence. That's what we saw. I'm sure the room can agree. Your confidence up there tonight stood out, and it is so, so important. But we've got to look at this process from what we've seen on the online videos and everything. This isn't just about tonight's performances. People need to remember that. We're not just judging this on tonight. We're judging this on everything we've seen of you, since we've known you all in your own journeys. And everything we've seen of you from this journey, especially in your videos, is somebody that wants it, who's gutsy, who's not afraid to belt the hell out of them videos and distort the sound because he's all loud. It's that. And for me, personally, how I feel, that's exactly what needs to represent this, because I got no doubt in my mind you're going to go on and do good things with this because you were determined to. And you want to thrive, you want to get involved with everything. And again, I want to point out, because it's a massive achievement, but Gracie, she's officially become the youngest representative. Okay? But nevertheless, Gracie will always be incredible, as we all know. And I'm so proud of how far she's come and everything she's achieved over the years. But Lacey, honestly, you should be really proud of yourselves. You worked so hard, you truly deserve this moment. You worked really hard, like. So, well done to you, alright? Right, ladies and gents, so we have got one more spot. So what we're going to do now is we're going to announce the final spot, guys, alright? And then what we're going to do is we're going to come to the two that don't get the representative title, but nevertheless, guys, everyone deserves credit up there tonight. They really, really do, and I'm proud of all of them. So we're going to come to the two then and have a chat with you, and then we'll come to the representative, alright? Here we go. So, again, in no particular order, but the person we'd like to crown tonight as a Town Switch Cymru representative is Zoe Morgan. Well done, Zoe. You are officially one of our new representatives. Well done, girl. You've worked hard over the seasons, and I think it's only fair. You know, you've worked really hard. You came out tonight, and you belted the hell out of what you did. All right. So we're going to come to the Ricky. Ricky, what would you like to say to Zoe, please?
Well, this is going to be an easy one. I've got one thing to say. I want a free copy of that album. Alright? For my car. Thank you very much. Well done, sweetheart. Every single bit of it.
Kelly, what would you like to say?
You've come back this season with a bang. Everything you've done has been absolutely fantastic. You've just grown, you know, you've really developed, and you've just I don't know, you've really made your mark on us this season. You've stood out, you've shone, and you should just be so proud of everything you've managed to do. It's just been fantastic. Well done.
Zoe, yeah, I mean, it feels quite weird sat by you, because I know how many times you've done this process and how far you've come and how close you've come to that end title. And I got to tell you, like, again, personally, the reason why you've taken this tonight in your stride is because you have pushed yourself and you've given a lot more out there. And remember all the way back to the first time I met you, and I said to you, so don't hold back. You and Mum would be in rehearsals, and go for it, so go for it, don't hold back. Yeah, but what if I go off? You know, that's changed this season. I think it is a lot to do with you've kind of connected vocally as a singer with Louis, and it really, really shone off on him, because you have put more in, you have given more, and there's no question of denying, it never has, what you were capable as a singer. But I just pray to God now from this, you really take this with pride, because you are officially a representative of this whole entire thing. So please be proud of that. You've finally done it. Alright, so well done to you. That's your round of applause there. So what we quickly want to do now, we want to talk, guys. We want to talk to Sienna and Katie because nevertheless, there is two talents there that equally deserve that title. Alright, they equally deserved it. This was hard. We could only pick 3 of 5. And I mean, we can't fault you both, even with the performances you've done tonight. I personally feel like you both came out and gave it everything, and your performances were fantastic. But we still got to look at everything we've seen through the online series, how far you've all come, how much we know you can achieve, everything. So, Ricky, I'll come to you to talk to Katie and Sienna first. What would you like to say to the girls?
Right, girls, it was a very hard decision. Like, we were supposed to have taken a 5-minute break earlier, and it went into about 20-25 minutes. There was a lot of arguments between us, as it is between judges always, because we've all got our favourites, and we all think, you know, different person should go on. But don't let this be the last of it, especially it's your first time, yeah? You've been round a couple of times, keep on going, look where Zoe is, alright? So don't take this as the end of the road, you come back, because that could be you, you know what I mean? And same with Charlotte, I think. Charlotte's been here a few times as well, yeah. So, and you keep coming back, darling, because we tell you, you will go from strength to strength. So, carry on doing what you're doing, girls, because again, like I said, next time it could be you. Alright?
Kelly, what would you like to say to them?
This is sort of like a celebration of your journey, you know. We could only pick 3, unfortunately. Otherwise, we would have crowned you all if we had the chance. But I just think that you should look back at what you've gained from this season. So Sienna, I mean, stepping out in front of people for the first time and singing, that's a massive accomplishment. You know, you did the over here. I think you really struggled this season, not having that interaction with the audience. So I think you've proven to yourself that you are so at home on a stage in front of people, and you thrive on that energy. And I think if you had another season where you've got our interaction, you will blow everybody away, because we kind of missed that connection with you this season. And I think that's all it was just that lack of sort of like what we had tonight. You've been absolutely amazing tonight. You've had faultless performances, and you've shown us who you are. And I think you just gotta, now everything's back to normal, hopefully you can continue to go from strength to strength, because my God, you are absolutely incredible. You both are, you really are. I look forward to seeing you now in the future.
Yeah, so basically, like, you know, Katie, I'll come to you both. But Katie, like, again, this is your second time doing this, but you really have got to take what's happened to you tonight with Zoe and Charlotte, because they haven't done it twice. I think some of them, I think it might be 3 times maybe, you know, so they've done it a few times, and we have seen people develop over time. I personally think tonight showed you, as an artist, at the top of your game. That's what it did tonight. But again, we've got to judge this process on everything we've seen over the whole season. And, you know, like I said, it's been a tough season for all of you having to do it from home. And when you look at everyone's performance as a whole, from the beginning to the end, that's what we've got to look at too. But let me tell you now, tonight, I'm telling you, you can watch them videos back and you got something to be so proud of. Because again, can I just point out that this is twice you've made the finals. Don't take that as a defeat. Not everyone can make the finals twice, you know? So, just, like I said, the opportunity's always there in future. And I do feel like Kelly picked up tonight, when you're on stage, you come to life, you know? So, fingers crossed, if you do come back in future, it's going to be on a stage throughout. You're going to feel it more, you're going to come to life like you did tonight more, and that's when we'll see the dramatic change, you know. But let me tell you now, be proud of what you've done. Because I'll always be proud of you for what you've done, no matter what. Well done, girl. Sienna, again, first time doing this, girl. And you've got to look at where you're at, you know. Again, like I said earlier on, you're in the finals of Town Church Cymru, including yourself. Look at the standard you're in. That speaks volumes for you too, because there's a reason why you're here, because you're at this high standard like everyone else. So please take that from this and think, do you know what? Actually, I made the finals of it. First time trying it, I made the finals. You know, that is a massive achievement. What we need to do from here, I definitely advise you to come back again. That's how I feel, because I generally feel, again with Katie, you coming on the stage, and I'm sure Katie can agree, when you go through the process on the stage, your confidence grows. It grows and grows and grows, and that's what you need. Once you've got that fully there, you're going to change completely. I can promise you that. Alright, but be proud of what you've done tonight. I'm proud of all of you. Really, really proud of all of you. So, round of applause for all of them, guys. Well done to you all. So everyone, that does